Phone Wand, navigating walking routes using orientation and vibration feedback.
Hi, I'm Chris.
I'm Michael.
I'm Levi.
We are students at the University of Washington Computer Science Department Accessibility Capstone. We have developed an application called the Phone Wand for the Android operating system. The Phone Wand is an application to help blind users better navigate walking routes using vibration and orientation feedback.
First, we'll show you how our application works.
Welcome to the Phone Wand application.
When a user enters our application, a welcome screen is shown with the address of the currently entered destination. In case the user is confused or needs to know what the application can do in any given screen, pressing the screen in one spot for a few seconds will prompt the application to speak how to navigate through the current screen. Swiping up from the welcome screen opens a blind accessible soft keyboard with which the user can enter the address of a desired destination. The keyboard can be explored by dragging a finger across the keys. The application speaks whichever key is currently pressed. Lifting the finger will enter the given key in the current text string and speak this event to the user. At the top of the keyboard, there are standard backspace and delete keys, in addition to navigation keys for moving forward and backward in the currently entered text. At the bottom of the keyboard, there are keys for hearing the currently entered text and for returning to the previous screen with the finished text.
Current characters are 4522 space B, ROOKLYN space, AV space NE.
Alternatively, the application saves every destination that the user enters, so rather than re-entering an old destination, the user can instead select it in a list which can be found by swiping right from the welcome screen. The user explores the contents of the list by sliding a finger over the items, which will be spoken when highlighted.
4045, 22 Brooklyn Avenue, Northeast Seattle, WA selected.
The user selects an item by double tapping on it. When a destination has been entered, the application retrieves a route from Google Maps from the user's current location to the entered destination and transitions to a new screen which manages this route. Swiping left from this route screen opens a screen which lists the directions in the current route. This list can be explored in the same manner as the previous destination list.
Selected back to route orienting screen. Current step is head north on Stevens Way.
Swiping down in this screen updates the route according to the user's current location. Double tapping this screen turns on vibration feedback, which causes the phone to vibrate when the phone is pointed in the direction of the next step in the user's route. Swiping right from the route screen returns the user to the initial welcome screen. As an extra level of convenience, we allow the user to save the current location as a potential future destination. This can be accomplished by swiping down from either the welcome screen or the route screen. If multiple addresses were found matching the user's current location, then the user is prompted to select one of the top 5 matches. A screen is then displayed with some basic data on this location. Double tapping this screen saves the selected location for later use. Now let's see the Phone Wand in use. Chris is trying to find his way home from the UW Computer Science building using the Phone Wand application. He has been guided to Stevens Way, and now he needs to know which way to turn. He is in the route orienting screen, and he knows that he has reached a street corner, so he swipes up on the screen to update the application's route according to his current location. He then double taps the screen to turn on vibrational feedback, and turns the phone around until it vibrates, telling him the direction in which to walk. The phone vibrated as he was facing right on Stevens Way, so he can now resume his walk home.
Thank you for taking the time to view our video. For more information, please check out the website.
Credits: Michael Lam, Levi Lindsey, and Chris Raastad were the students working on the Phone Wand project. Special thanks to our professor, Richard Ladner, our mentor and TA, Shiri Azencott, a guest demoer, Deborah Cook, a Yahoo accessibility expert, Ted Drake, and all of the other students in our Accessibility Capstone course.